Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the pair of linear equation in two variables, chapter 3, exercise 3.7, seventh problem. Here in the seventh problem we start the first sub problem. The problem given is solve the following pair of linear equations. So the pair of linear equations are given. First we'll start the solution. So these are the two equations given. I'll just write these equations, that is Px Qy is equal to P minus Q. This is, keep this as equation A. Next one, that is Qx, this one is Qx minus Py is equal to P plus Q. This one as B. Or you can take it as equation 1 and equation 2. Here I am taking this one as A and B. So now multiply, next step, multiply equation, that is A I have taken into P and equation B into Q. Therefore what happens, now multiply this, that is Px plus Qy is equal to P minus Q into, that is P. Therefore next equation, that is Qx minus Py is equal to P plus Q into Q. So we'll write down this one. This will become P square x plus P Qy is equal to P into P minus Q. Therefore next is Q into this one is Q into Q square, then this is x minus PQy is equal to Q into P plus Q. Now next step, keep this equation 1, this one as 2. Now we have to add equation 1 plus equation 2. So what happens, adding these two, we have add these two. So what happens, these two cancels, then we get P square x plus Q square x is equal to P, write down these two as it is, plus Q, these two cancels, write down this one first, then this one, again here also this one first, then this one next, P plus Q. So this is the solution for these two. After adding we are getting, now we have to simplify this. So write down P square x plus Q square x is equal to, bring the P inside the bracket, then we get P square minus PQ plus, here Q inside the bracket, that is QP plus, what happens, Q square. So P into Q, then P square. Then these two cancels, PQ cancels. Write down the remaining, that is P square x plus Q square x plus, that is P square plus Q square, x into P square plus Q square is equal to, again P square plus Q square. Then cancel these two, therefore we get, what is x, these two cancels means x is equal to 1. Now what happens, substitute, that is x is equal to 1 in equation A. So equation A. So what is equation A, that is Px plus Qy is equal to P minus Q. So substitute x here, 1, this is 1, Qy is equal to P minus Q. Therefore what happens, this one, that is p so substituting x is equal to 1, we took the equation A, substituted x here. Next is, so p plus qy is equal to p minus q. So what happens here? Plus p minus p cancels. Then we have qy is equal to minus q. Therefore y is equal to minus q by q. Therefore q cancels, we get minus 1. Finally what we get, that is x is equal to 1, hence, or hence we can write, hence x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So this is the solution for the first subproblem. We move on to the next one. So the second problem here is, see, this is the second problem. So this pair of linear equations are given here. So what will start the solution? So first we take this equation ax plus by is equal to c is 1 and bx plus ay is equal to 1 plus c. Second equation. So therefore next step is multiply equation 1 into b and equation 2 into a. So therefore what happens, see, a into, that I'll write here, ax plus by is equal to c into b. Then next equation bx plus ay is equal to 1 plus c into a. Now we have to write, multiply and write abx plus b square y is equal to bc. So this is the first one. Next, multiply next equation by a, means abx plus a square y is equal to, that is 1 plus c into a. So here I'll write the line. So next is subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. So what happens here? Equation 2 minus equation 1. Here only we can do this. So write down the minus here, minus here. So these two cancels. So these two cancels, write down the remaining. So remaining we can write as, that is minus, we are getting a square y plus b square y is equal to minus 1 plus c into a plus bc. Now we'll change the sign, and write down this in the proper form. So I can change the sign, that is a square, will change the sign, minus comes here, b square y is equal to this one, bring a inside the bracket, then we can write a, this will become minus, when we change the sign this become plus. So a plus ac, then this one becomes minus bc. This is the equation we got. After multiplying equation 1 with a, equation 1 with b and equation 2 with c with a, then we get this, then subtract equation 2 minus 1, we'll get this, then change the sign and keep in the proper form, we get this equation. After this, here y is common, bring y outside, then a square minus b square is equal to a plus ac minus bc. Therefore y is equal to a plus ac minus bc by a square minus b square. Therefore finally bring c is common, bring c outside, then a minus b plus a is equal to a square minus b square. So this is the final form we get. Bringing c is common, bring c outside, then keep as it is. Now substitute y in equation 1. We will substitute y in the equation 1. So what is equation 1? Equation 1 is ax plus by is equal to c. Therefore what is c? So keep ax plus b into y. Substitute whole thing here, that is we can expand and write, or I'll just write expand and write ac minus bc. This one brings a inside the bracket and write. Then we get a square minus b square in the denominator, which is equal to c. So now ax minus c, you bring the others. Ax is equal to, bring c inside the bracket or this the other side. We get c minus ab. Bring b inside the bracket. Then we get ab plus abc minus b square c divided by a square b square. Just bringing this to the this side. Then bring b inside the bracket. After this, just write ax is equal to, multiply this, we can cross multiply this one. So we get, multiply c into this one. Therefore a square c minus, what happens, a square c and b square c. Then write down the remaining, remove the bracket, then we get ab minus abc plus b square c. So write down this as it is, a square b square. Finally here c, any common thing is there, just cancel. Minus b square c plus b square c cancels. Therefore finally we write ax is equal to a square c minus ab minus abc by a square minus b square. And now take a as a common here. So take a common means ax is equal to a, then ac here minus b minus bc. So now a square minus b square. So a is common, a cancels. Finally what we get? Therefore x is equal to ac minus b minus bc by a square minus b square. So this is x, ac minus b minus bc by a square. So y we got already here. Therefore x is this one. So this is the solution for second. We move on to the third problem. Third problem is, the equation is given here. Next we'll start the solution. So first step is, take this equation, cross multiply this. So what happens, cross multiplying, we get bx minus ay is equal to 0 as the equation 1. Next is, this one keep as it is equal to a square plus b square as equation 2. Therefore now next step is multiply equation 1 into b and equation 2 into a. Therefore we get, that is, I'll write once again the equation is equal to 0 into b, then equation ax plus by is equal to a square plus b square into a. b square x. Now write down, that is aby is equal to 0. Then a square x plus aby is equal to a into a square plus b square. Now next step is add these two equations, that is add equation 1 plus equation 2. So adding these two, what happens, these two get cancels, then we get a square x plus b square x. Then write down this a square plus b square. Since here 0, nothing is there, just write down this. So next step is, after adding this, we have to simplify this. Write down the equation a square x plus b square y is equal to a into a square plus b square. Now here take x common outside, then write a square b square is equal to a into a square plus b square. Therefore cancel this one, these two. Therefore x is equal to a. Now we are getting this cancels, so x we get as a. Now put or substitute x is equal to a in equation 1. So what is equation 1? That is bx minus ay is equal to 0. So we'll put x here as a minus ay is equal to, this one is 0. So finally what happens, ab minus a minus y is equal to 0. Then we have to write ab is equal to, bring to the other side, this will become minus, becomes plus. Now a cancel, finally we'll get y is equal to b. So therefore we got x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So this is the solution for the 7th third problem. So if you have any doubts, please comment me. Share, like all the videos, subscribe my channel. Again, if you have any doubts, comment me. This is very easy. Just what the first step is, just cross multiply this, then multiply equation 1 into b, equation 2 into a, then add these two, then we get, simplify this, then we get x is equal to a. Again put this a, x is equal to a in the equation 1, we will get y is equal to b. Finally we got x is equal to a and y is equal to b. This is very simple problem. So subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, comment me. Share, like all the videos. Thank you.